Hello everyone, my name is CMA Pankti Veni. Welcome back to CMA modules. Today we are going to take a topic named as decision making tools from paper number 10, study note number 2. Already I have uploaded one video related to this topic few days back. In that I had covered up to sum number 7. In this video we will be covering from sum number 8 to sum number 12. So, sum number 8 is related to maintaining a desired level of profit. Now, what is desired level of profit? Sometimes management may be interested in maintaining a desired level of profit. I want only 50,000 profit. I want 70,000 of profit. I want to earn 15% of profit. I want to earn 17% of profit. So management is interested in desired level of profit under the conditions of a change in the sales price. The volume of sales required to earn a desired level of profit can be determined by applying marginal costing techniques. So I am a management and I want to earn a required percentage of profit, desired percentage of profit in different sales situation. So in such a situation, it is possible to earn desired profit, to calculate that amount of profit by using marginal costing techniques. So for ascertaining sales required earning a desired level of profit, following formulas are applied. And in case I want to go for number of units to be sold to earn a desired level of profit, then the formula will be total fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution. And in case I want to earn calculate my sales in terms of value, then in that case it will be total fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. Here it will be total fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. And here, in case of number of units, selling units, it will be total fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit. Okay, now comes my question number 8. So a company produces and markets industrial containers and packing cases. Due to competition, the company proposes to reduce the selling price. If the present level of profit is to be maintained, indicate the number of units to be sold. Here I am supposed to find out number of units to be sold if the proposed reduction in selling price is 5%, 10% and 15%. So to earn my desired profit, I want to find out number of units to be sold. So current situation is given to me. So here present sales turnover is 30,000 units and 3 lakh is my sales value. Variable cost for 30,000 units is 1,80,000. Fixed cost is 70,000 and net profit is 50,000. So in this case, I need to calculate my current situation first. Contribution for my current situation. So selling price per unit is given to me as rupees 10. So how I am getting rupees 10? 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh is my total sales divided by 30,000 units. That will give me 10 rupees. 1,80,000 divided by 30,000. 1,80,000 divided by 30,000 units will give me 6 rupees as my variable cost. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be deducting 6 rupees from 10 rupees. 6 rupees is my variable cost, 10 rupees is my selling price. So I'll be getting 4 rupees as contribution. After that, 3 situations are given to me. If my selling price is reduced by 5%, 10% and 15%. So in all the 3 cases, what I am doing is I am calculating my selling price. So how to go for the calculation of selling price? 10 rupees selling price is already given. There is 5% reduction in selling price. That will give me 9.5. Okay. 10 rupees is my selling price. 10% is the reduction. That will give me 9 rupees. 10 rupees is my selling price. 15% is my reduction. That will give me 8.5. 8.5 as my selling price. So 8.50. 6 rupees is the variable cost which is given. Out of this selling price, if I reduce variable cost, I'll be getting contribution. Okay. Now, based on this contribution and fixed cost information given to me in the question, what I'll be doing is I'll be finding out number of units to be sold. So 70,000 is the profit fixed cost, 50,000 is the profit, that is the desired profit given to me in the question, divided by 4 rupees contribution calculated from here above. If I divide this, I'll be getting 30,000 units. 70,000 is my fixed cost, again given to me in the question. 50,000 is the desired profit, that also given to me in the question, which I need to earn. 50,000 is also given to me in the question. If I add this, I'll be getting, divide by contribution, I'll be getting number of units for different situations. Okay. Then comes my question number 9. So question number 9 is related to alternative courses of action. So here 2-3 situations will be given to you in the question. I am supposed to select the situation which gives me more contribution. So sometimes management has to select a course of action from amongst various alternative courses. Each course of action has its own merits and limitations. The course of action to be selected should ensure maximum profit to the business concerned. The appraisal of the various courses of action available is possible through the analysis of contribution. Course of action ensuring highest contribution is generally adopted by the management. So here the course of action giving me highest contribution, that I am supposed to adopt. So the content also says the same thing. 2-3 situations, 2-3 course of action will be given to me. Details related to 2-3 situations will be given to me. What I am supposed to do is I am supposed to select the one which will give me best contribution. Okay, let's go to question number 9. So question number 9 is Excel Limited manufactures and markets a single product. The following data are available. Material rupees 16 per unit. Conversion cost, that is variable cost, is given to you as rupees 12 per unit. Dealer's margin is given to you as rupees 4 per unit. Selling price is 40. Fixed cost 5 lakhs. Present sales is 90,000 units. Capacity utilization 60%. There is an acute competition. Extra efforts are necessary to sell. Suggestions have been made for increasing sales by reducing the sales price by 5%. Increasing dealer's margin by 25% on the existing rate. So these are my two situations. 5% is my selling price and 25% is the dealer's margin. So these are the two situations. Which of these two suggestions you would recommend if the company desires to maintain present profit? Okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll be finding out profitability for current situation first. So 16 rupees material is given to me. Variable cost 12 rupees is given to me per unit. So that will give me 16 minus 12, 4 rupees as my margin. So total cost to me will be 32 rupees. 16 plus 12 plus 4, that will give me 32 rupees. Okay, selling price 40 rupees is also given to me in the question. Everything is from the question, straight away from the question. So if I deduct total cost from my sales, I'll be getting 8 rupees as my contribution. What I'll be doing is 16, 17, this per unit price, I'll be multiplying with number of units. Number of units is nothing but 90,000 units is given to me in the question. This 90,000 units I'll multiply with per unit, I'll be getting total cost. Okay, so this is my current situation related to 90,000 units. Now what is my first situation? I'll be reducing my selling price by 5%. So I'll come down to selling price. I'll be reducing selling price by 5%. So 40 is my selling price into 5% minus 5% of 40 rupees is giving me 38. So 38 is my selling price which I have taken here. Now to 10% adding to it for my margin, I'll be getting 3.8. So dealer's margin is nothing but 10%. So 38 rupees is my selling price. 10 rupees of 38 will give me 3.80. Now coming down to second situation, by increasing dealer's margin by 25% on the existing rate. So what is my second question? I am increasing my dealer's margin by 25%. So I'll come down here and my selling price is 40 rupees. Okay, and to this 40 rupees I'll be calculating my dealer's margin. So dealer's margin is 40 rupees into 10%, 4 rupees. To this 4 rupees I'm supposed to add my 25%. That's what the question is saying. By increasing dealer's margin by 25% on existing rate. Existing rate is 4 rupees. My sorry, my existing margin is 4 rupees. To this I am supposed to add 25%. So to this I will be adding 25%. So I am getting 1 rupee of 25%. So this 5 rupees I'll be adding to 40 rupees to my selling price. Okay. So now coming down to the revised profitability statement, 16 rupees in both the case, in case A and case B, 16 rupees and 12 rupees will remain constant. My cost, my margin will change. Here it will be 3.8 and here it will be 5. In A situation it will be 3.8 and in B situation it will be 5 rupees. If I add my margin to my cost, I'll be getting total cost. From total cost I am supposed to reduce down my selling price. So selling price minus total cost will give me contribution. So contribution is more in situation B. So I will be going for situation B. Then they have gone for number of units. So in case of revised situation A, number of units with the help of fixed cost, and in situation B, number of units in case of with the help of fixed cost. Okay. Next comes sum number 10. Here sum number 10 is related to profit planning. So profit planning is one of the important function of the management. Yes, profit planning is an important function of management. It relates to the attainment of maximum profit. Profit planning requires management to have the proper knowledge of the inner relationship of the selling prices, sales volume, variable cost and fixed cost. So profit planning is nothing but it will require a good amount of relationship between sales price, sales volume, profit prices, correct, fixed cost. So marginal costing helps management in ascertaining the profit position at various levels of operation through the technique of cost volume and profit analysis. So what does marginal costing does? Marginal costing will help me to analyze my profit with my volume. Thus management can plan its operations on the optimum level where profits are maximum. So what management can do? Management will select that option which is giving me maximum profit. So sum number 10. Ambitious Enterprises is currently working at 50% capacity and produces 10,000 units. So my Ambitious Enterprises is working at 50% capacity. And while working at 50% capacity, the units produced are 10,000.